Hi there, how you doing? This is how I clean a sink. One of these steel ones. Gonna first spray it with a bit of spray bleach. Just leave that for a few seconds. Then we'll take a magic sponge, give it a clean around. What this will do with the bleach is this will clean it all up. If there's any bits in these plug things, I do tend to just give them a bit of a scrub out. Starting to look a bit better already. Now this is the important thing, you've got to make sure you rinse all this bleach off before you do the next stage. You can see that's looking better already, looking a lot cleaner. Next stage, we're going to spray some white vinegar in. This is food grade, and the reason why you have to make sure the bleach is all gone is because the vinegar is an acid, and acid and bleach mixed together make chlorine gas, which is toxic. I'm also going to spray this on the tap area so that I can clean that up as well. Now, why am I using vinegar? Because it's an acid, it will get rid of any kind of nucleated limescale, any tiny micro deposits of limescale that have got embedded and started growing on the surface, in the scratches and so on this steel. And that will restore this to basically what it looked like when it came out of the factory in terms of the way water runs off it. You might forget what your sink was like, but you're going to find out in a minute. Right, just clean this tap up. There's always bits of limescale on taps. It's just watermarks where it starts to gather. Down in all the grooves. The other place to get is on the knuckle there where it kind of gets caught. Dirt gets caught in those areas. Right, now we're going to swill this off. Now, can you see the way the water is gathering and running away? That's what it looks like when these come out of the factory, because there's nothing to stop the water flowing freely. I hope you can see that. I hope it comes out. I'll just run some more water in there so I can show you again. There we go. Can you see the way it all kind of gathers and runs off? That's what it should do. Anyway, that's it. All I've got to do now is just buff this up. As you can see, it's a lot cleaner. So we'll just give everything a quick kind of dry off with the damp cloth. And then I buff up with a tea towel, microfiber tea towel. I only ever use microfiber cloths and tea towels with a good blend of polyamide and polyester because, well, they're the best. If you want any recommendations, let me know. I will have left some links in the pinned comment and description. And there we have it. Absolutely sparkly. That's why I'm the highest rated service provider in York. If you've got any comments, you know what to do. Leave them in the comments. And if you found that useful, please let me know and give the video a like. Got any questions? Fire away. All right, you take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Cheerio.